requesting people to come and meet them. This is my bandwidth team. We are requesting people to join us.
ಒಂದನೇ
Good morning everyone. Today we are all gathered here to witness the most
निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः सरिगमपधनिसा विरदशरणो सरिगमपधनिसा विरदशरणो सा विरदशरणो गानयोगी गुरुवे दीनकल्पतरुवे सुप्रभातदिनगे सुप्रभातदिनगे सरिगमपधनिसा विरदशरणो पञ्चमकोकिले पञ्चाक्षरिणियो पदनिस परिमळ पुष्पಗಳು ಗಾನಕೇಳುವ ತಾನನೀರುವ ಆನಗಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಸುತ ಸರಿಗಮ ಶಿವಯೋಗಿ ಪಂಚಮಕೋಗಿಲೆ ಪಂಚಾಕ್ಷರಿಯು ಪದನಿಸ ಪರಿಮಳ ಪುಷ್ಪಗಳು ಮಾತೃ ಮನದ ನಿನ್ನ ಗಾನ ಗುಡಿಯ ತುಂಬ ನಿಗಮ ಸಗಮ ತಪ ಮಗ ನಿಗಮ ಪದಪ ಮಗ ಹೊರಲಿ ಸ್ವರ ಋಷಿ ವರ ಋಷಿ ತಲೆಗೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಂಧರ ಬದುಕಿನ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಮುಗಿಲೆ ಗಾನಯೋಗಿ ಗುರುವೇ ದೀನ ಕಲ್ಪತರುವೇ ಸುಪ್ರಭಾತವಿನಗೆ ಪಂಡಿತ ಪಾಪದ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಸೇತುವೆ ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಜಂಗಮವೇ ಗಾನ ಕೇಳುವ ದಾನ ನೀಡುವ ಆನಗಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಸುತ ಸರಿಗಮಗಳ ಶಿವಯೋಗಿ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಒಂದಿನ ಬಣ್ಣವನರಿಯೇ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಪುಣ್ಯದ ಸಿರಿಯೇ ಗಾನಯೋಗಿ ಗುರುವೇ ದೀನ ಕಲ್ಪತರುವೇ ಸುಪ್ರಭಾತದಿನಗೆ ಸುಪ್ರಭಾತದಿನಗೆ ಸರಿಗಮ ಪದನಿ ಸಾವಿರದ ಶರಣು ಸಾವಿರದ ಶರಣು ಸಾವಿರದ ಶರಣು.
To translate vision into reality. My dear student, to handle yourself, use your head. To handle others, use your heart. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Small cheer and great welcome makes a proud moment. Myself, Sayed Manzoor, a warm and pleasant good morning to all. We have gathered here this morning to celebrate the investiture ceremony in our school. This ceremony marks the induction of our new student council leaders who will carry the torch of responsibility in the discharge of various positions of the student council. The investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skill and abilities of our students and is the most prestigious ceremony in the schedule of school events. Now it's time to welcome our dignitaries. On behalf of this institution, I cordially and respectfully welcome our chief guest, Shri Abhishek Vasant Nayak sir, Assistant Commissioner, Bannani. Sir is always work for the growth and betterment of the society and value the citizens. He always stand for everyone from the bottom of our heart. To him for gladly accepting our invitation. Today's occasion, we are indeed fortunate to have with us a befitting personality, Srimati Saina Pradip ma'am, Secretary of Gurukula Charitable Trust. On behalf of our school, I render a warm welcome to you, ma'am. Welcome you, ma'am. A man with great vision and mission and icon for hard work. I feel happy to welcome Shri Mujiswar sir, Treasurer of Gurukula Charitable Trust. Welcome you, sir. One who puts his soul and heart in uplifting others attains dignity. I feel proud to welcome Sri T.S. Arunkumar sir, Administrator of Gurukula Charitable Trust. Respectful welcome, sir. My genuine respectful welcome to our school management committee member, Sri Moji Pradeep sir, who has been the pillar of this institution. I welcome sir on his object. Welcome you, sir. A true leader has the confidence to stand tall, courage to take the right decision and lead his team gracefully. A cordial welcome to our principal, Sri Darshan Kumar sir, our guiding star and our leading light. Welcome you, sir. A gracious welcome to our simplicity. Welcome you, sir. Now, I would like to welcome all the teachers and staff and students who are integral part of this institution. And I extend a warm welcome to media persons. Once again, a warm welcome to all. Thank you. And carrying out school activity and various projects. Student council members make the study environment more productive and engaging as well as protect the interest of the students. Now, I would like to introduce our newly elected student council members. First, I would like to introduce the newly elected head boy for the academic year 2024-25 of the school, Sri Sai Gurukula Residential School, Bannani. I request with a big round of applause the newly elected head boy, Tanush, and head girl, Pariyata. These honorable students with badge. Please give a big round of applause honoring head boy.
ಇದು ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ಬರ್ರಿ ಸೋಮಣ್ಣರ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ.
ಧರ್ಮಸ್
ನೀವು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ.
प्रेम मैडम धर्म हो कोई शांत शांत धर्म हो वॉइस का
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಸರ್. ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇವರೇ ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡೋದಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ರೆಡಿ. ಹಾಂ ಹೋಗಿ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
ಈ ಕಡೆ
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹುಚ್ಚುತ್ತದೆ. ಓ ಯಾಕಿದ್ರು ಇವರು